Testing, testing. Hello. So today we are going to talk about a mini project one. That is to calculate the area of a quarter of a unit circle, a circle with the radius of 1. So look at this picture here. It's the quarter circle that I draw, and the function of this circle is x squared plus y squared equals 1, and 1 is the square of the circle's radius, which is 1. So as we look at the picture, I divide the circle by 4 times. So here 1 at 1/4, and the second one in 2/4, and the third one and fourth one. So to calculate the area of this quarter circle, I think I need to divide this into 4 pieces and get the area of each rectangle, like this one, this one, this one, and this one. Of course, this looks not accurate because I haven't divided by many times enough, but if I divide it many times enough, I will get the more accurate answer. So now please look at the code. So this is the code I wrote, and at first I need to import the math module for calculating, and then I need to define my function. So the goal of the mini project is to calculate the area of a quarter unit circle with the radius of 1. But in my program, I will first calculate a bigger circle with the radius of 10,000. It is easier for me to calculate, and then I will divide the result by 10,000 times 10,000. Then I will get the approximate area of the quarter unit circle. So as you can see, the the big quarter circle is divided by 10,000 times, so I need a for loop from 1 to 10,000. And at the beginning of the function, I also need an accumulator to add up the area of each rectangle. So let's get back to the picture. So the width of each rectangle in here is always the same. It's the 1/4. You see 1/4 here, and then 1/4 here. But in my circle, as the radius is 10,000 and I divide it by 10,000 times, the radius amount, I'm sorry, the width of each rectangle will always be 1, right? So I also, as I need to calculate the area of a rectangle, I also need the length of the rectangle. So I need y1 and y2. And let's get back to the picture. Y1, say in this rectangle, y1 is this side, and y2 is this side. And when I get y1 and y2 and get the average, I will get this length, the real length of each rectangle. In my code, I will express it with y3. So this is y1 and y2. And the area of each rectangle is x, which is 1, times y3. And then each time when I get the result of an area of a rectangle, I will add it in the accumulator. So when the for loop ends, that means I've calculated all the rectangles in that quarter circle, I need to get the approximate area of the unit circle by dividing the calculator, which is the area of the big circle, by maybe 10,000 times 10,000 times, and then I will get the approximate area of the quarter unit circle, and then the approximate pi is just the approximate area times 4. So at the end, I will print out the approximate pi. I will also print out the difference from two pi's. One is from the math module, and the other one is what I get from my calculation. And at last, I will print the approximate area of the quarter unit circle. And then let's look and see the function. So the approximate pi is 3.14. It's close enough, I think. If I divide it by more times, I will get a more accurate answer. And the difference, you can see here, the difference from two pi's is small enough, I think. And the approximate area is just 1/4 of the approximate pi. So that's it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.